Your Excellency, Deputy President of Republic of Kenya, aka Rigathi, the family of our departed brother, Mwalimu Kano, Mama Judith, together with your children, all the leaders who are present here, alumni wa kutoka Kirinyaga, na all the Munas. God is good all the time. Kwanza sana kwa familia, nimefika hapa. Mimi naitwa Senator Veronica Maina, nominated senator kutoka Murang'a County, also former UDA, kusema pole sana na kuleta rabirabi zetu kwa niaba yangu na kwa niaba ya familia yangu. Tumeona vile mwalimu amefanya kazi nyingi sana, mpaka he raised a great army of great leaders in this country. Your Excellency, today, I'm very proud of the work Mwalimu did for you to raise for us in the nation of Kenya a deputy president. Can we just give a clap to Mwalimu, though he is fallen, and the family will receive that compliment. We are proud of him. I did not know him personally, but looking at the great people that he has raised, I know he has left a rich legacy. He has done his work. And I like what our bishop talked about, the purpose-driven life. What purpose do you live for? Today, as I sat listening to the eulogy, I asked myself, what do I live for? And I pray that as family, you will push this legacy and you make your dad proud even as he rests. Sitaki kusema mambo mengi, but I want to leave you with Revelation 2:14, that he will wipe away your tears. There will be no more pain, no more crying, no more mourning, because that will be in the past. But there is a day God will give you all the peace and he will wipe away your tears. Na hayo Onabwa Maua ameongea, Your Excellency, nataka tukuelezee hivi. Unajua tumetoka bali sana mimi na wewe. Tumetoka kule kwa chama, tulikuwa kwa chama iliitwa Jubilee Party, nikafanya kazi nyingi sana kama one of the daughters within the mountain, kutoka Murang'a County as a Secretary General, mpaka tukapata serikali ya Jubilee. Kutoka hapo tukatembea UDA. Pia, Your Excellency, mkaniuliza nikuwe Secretary General. Tukafanya kazi nyingi sana. Na nataka niwashukuru sana watu wa Kirinyaga County because of voting in the UDA party. Jipigie makofi. Na nataka kukueleza hivi, you never made a mistake in electing our President, William Ruto, and our Deputy President, Rigathi as the leaders and the CEOs of this nation. Let me tell you, if you would have tried to do a different thing, sahi ungekuwa tunalilia choo. Munajua hivyo ama hamjui? We think things are difficult. They would have been worse. Unaona tulikuwa na deni kubwa sana hii nchi ya Kenya. Na if it was not for the prudent management of the economy pale waliipata, hiyo deni haigelipika. Kwa hivyo hatujaenda vibaya. Na Bishop, nimekusikia ukilia mambo ya kahawa. Na ni vizuri kulia ndio tuelewe pia kama viongozi what wananchi are going through. Na mambo itakuwa mazuri. Ile kazi imefanyiwa coffee reforms, tea reforms, in a short while. You may not experience it immediately because it does not take a week for that coffee to be bought in the international market. But in days to come, Kenyans will be very happy. Your Excellency, just like Honorable Maua has said, I know for a fact, I signed your certificate together with the President. We have one President in this nation, that is President William Ruto. We have one Deputy President in this nation, that is Rigathi, His Excellency Rigathi. Those are facts, they are not disputable. Before the people of Kenya, before the Constitution, even before God, you were ordained as the leaders in this nation. And we fully support you. From the mountain, you have our blessing, Your Excellency. One of the things I would want to request you, do not pay attention. Because I remember the Nehemiah of the Bible. When he was rebuilding the walls, Your Excellency, there were some people called Tobias and Sanballats. They were there. What were they saying? They were saying, this wall cannot be rebuilt because even a small fox can make the wall just drop off and collapse. nothing is going to collapse in Kenya under your leadership and the leadership of our president. So, Your Excellency, we fully support you. Do not pay heed to the detractors. Continue doing your work. There is nothing they are changing. Wananchi ndio wanakuwa na kura ya kuchagua rais na deputy president. Ubarikiwe na tunakuombea. Familia, God bless you. We are praying for you. May God comfort you. And may Mzee Kano rest well and rest in peace. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Senator Veronica. Tukuje nyumbani, Mheshimiwa Gashoki Gitari. Karibu ongea na watu.
Your Excellency, the Deputy President of this Republic, Rigathi Gachagua, our colleague readers, the clergy read by the Captain, Bishop Kivosho, Monas na familia ya Kanondobe, Bwana asifiwe. Bwana Deputy President, I'll be very short and brief because of interest of time. One of the things I want to say is that Kanondobe was my very close friend, and as much as I did not have the luxury of going to Kirinyaga High School, I can assure you that Akina Gashoki David, we were in the same years, and Vundi, but whatever they used to tell us about Kanondobe, tulikuwa tunamuogopa hata Kirowea. Kama tumekata kona kutoka Kamoiro, tukisikia Kanondobe yako area, tunakatia kona ile ingine. So he was a role model to all of us. Na tulikuwa tunaambiwa na akina Gashoki, mkikutana hata Kirowea utapata msita. Even if you meet, akuwe suspicious na wewe, umetoka shule, he deals with you, ukimuuliza na kwambia, hiyo viboko nimekupatia ni the next thing that you'll do. So you receive punishment in advance. To the family of Kanondobe, we are together. Bwana Deputy President, I want to tell you that Kanondobe, there's a time he came to Nairobi looking for me and Mheshimiwa Geshimo. And Mheshimiwa Geshimo alisema na niambia alikwambia he is out of the country, that's why he did not manage to come here, na akaniambia nisalimie nyinyi na watu ya Geshogo. Alikuwa amenituma hivyo Bwana Bishop umemumiss, lakini ako Atlanta with Committee on Trade. Gwenda kuga atiriri COVID Kanondobe okire Nairobi agitoshirene Geshimo agaikara thi akijuria weko njuke ngimwira mwarimu ni ndingioka ndungioka no njukite kuri ori akijira get hold of Geshimo and you tell me where to meet. So I went with Geshimo to Fairview Hotel and we met. Atoririe gitari na Geshimo ni ate mureka na kile mutiara iroke MTC. What are you doing? Can you act very fast? Then from there he called the PS Mary Modoni, who is from Geshogo. And I can assure you, Madam Deputy President, we have all the approvals and we got a piece of land from the county government, and now we are trying to push for budget, and I told you that, and you are supporting us. Another thing, Madam Deputy President, if familia Kano, like somebody has said, baba yake hakuandika barua ya kuresign from NIA. It is dead. If you find it within yourself, please shika mmoja wa Kanondobe's family ukae na yeye, so that your legacy, I know what you had planned for Kanondobe, please don't cease, continue with that, and we will be praying for you. Bwana Deputy President, kule andu mararuta wira kule kwa TSC maumitie kiongo takaraika mutu andu acio maratureteire mwarimu na ndakwirite tucemanitie nawe bodi ikiuga mwarimu ni agwithitie cukuru bishop akiandika marua na ningiandika marua na still mara insist no mekorete mwarimu ucio tugaga atiriri ni kwega ku protect watho no tutikagio kara meitho tutikuretera mwarimu uregeto cukuru ingi kandi tukuretera mwarimu uregeto cukuru ingi koguo ni tukumenyerera cukuru ya karia mwarimu gutire kurari sovo na ni marane pressure county director of education na makane TSC director of education ati matware mwarimu ucio kiavinya turuga atiriri tutikuingata mundu ra perform magathukuru who is barely 6 months, so if you assist us we'll be happy. Ya mwisho bwana Deputy President, the bishop spoke to you and spoke to Mama Rose. He said, "Ria kwa thietona kanuga gataru keine inari andu aria mari gataru-ini kauri mamurire don't you care, and he was asleep." What the bishop did not tell us, whether he woke up, whether Jesus woke up or not, but I'll check in my Bible to see whether he woke up. Bwana Deputy President, you are the second in command. We are your children and we are behind you. Na sisi tukiona kanuni inafanya hivi bado tutakuuliza, don't you care? The way they asked. Tutakuuliza hivyo. I would pray, stay to your lane. Stick to your lane. Leave the people who are cheering you, leave the people who are bringing you down, we'll deal with them. Wakitushinda, hawatatushinda. Angekoro, nitweyumiririe vindi ya twari na ngara ni Deputy President gutega undu ari oi kuri andu meya matari makwa makenya niguo ona matari maingira bodithi Deputy President ni oiguo no makie Deputy President ka undu ka mwisho no uga mutungatiri witu ni uga voro akavua Deputy President aria kiuga ta baba witu Kenya evone. Asanteni na Mungu awabariki.
Na sasa nitaita Mheshimiwa Kasheri Gaitu, alafu ndio sasa tumalizie. Karibu Mheshimiwa